How to prepare a tank flange for welding. This is a flange for one of these hydraulic filters, suction strainers rather, that go onto the hydraulic tanks. Now, take a grinder and clean off all the sides. One side, so we start with the edge, all around the edge, all around the underside, and on the outside lip. Now, why on the underside? Because we're actually going to weld on the surface of the tank, like that. We're going to have to do this simply because the filter is so long that it will otherwise hit the other edge. When the filter goes in, it would otherwise hit the other end of the tank, so we need to space it. This space actually works. Not the best solution, but it works. Here's the grinding. Measure the ergonomics. Measuring the ergonomics of this grind.